Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So I'm really excited because today we're going to be playing with the Cosmic Brushes Serinity palette. I've been trying to get my hands on this palette for months, but every time that they restock it, it sells out so quickly. So the last time that they restocked it, I snatched that bitch up, let me tell ya. And so it finally arrived maybe like a week ago. So I wanted to play around with this palette today. I also will do I wanted to swatch like a couple of the shimmers for you guys. I'm not going to be swatching the whole palette, and I did use two of the shimmers in today's look. So I used the shade Opal on my inner corner, and then the shade Esther like on the eyes. So I want to swatch, let's see. So I'm going to swatch shade Serenity, Odyssey, Wanderer, and Twilight. Those are the other four shimmers in the palette. They look like this. And this is just a really quick swatch for you guys. So we have like the dark blue, the baby blue, the gold, and a green. I think these are very reflective. The formula, it doesn't feel too hard pressed, but it doesn't feel too like soft either. It feels like a really good like medium for a shimmer. Sorry, let me get this baby wipe out so I can wipe my hands. I'm gonna be using maybe 4 or 5 of the matte shades. So yeah, definitely got a good roundabout of the palette today. I am gonna be just focusing on my eyes because I really did want to just kind of have this palette be the main focus of attention. As you can see, I matched the vibes. I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing my eyes. So I'll leave all my face products down below for you guys if you're curious about the products that I used on my face. But other than that, if you want to see how I created this gorgeous eyeshadow makeup, definitely keep on watching. I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on the Cosmic Brushes Serenity palette. Oh, she's so pretty. Looks like this. Man, this was out of stock. Like every time that I went to go buy it, it was always like out of stock. So I'm so excited that I finally got my hands on it. So I'm going to start by taking this shade right here, which is called Forest. And this is a teal shade. I'm going to take this on a fluffy Morphe brush. Make sure to tap off the excess so I don't get any fallout on my makeup. And I am just going to start packing this down in my outer corner and crease. This shadow right here is really nice because like it's super deep in the pan. And I feel like I'll be able to build it up really deeply, but as you can see, it already has like a nice blend going on. But I'm not going to take it all the way in because I want to do some purple. Okay, now I think I'm going to take the shade Pixie, which is this purple right here. And I'm going to take this on a flat brush and just kind of stamp that the rest of the way in front. So just like that. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush with the shade Make-A-Wish, which is this lilac right here. So now to blend out this teal side, I will go back through the purple as well and kind of fix it. But for now, I'm going to take the shade, what are they? I'm going to take the shade Spring and Echo mixed together to get a nice teal color. This is a doe color brush. And then start to buff this out. And then I'll go through all of the colors again to really make sure that everything's blended together. Okay, so this is pretty nice and blended out. I'm going to go ahead and just cut out my crease now. Blend this side out. So I just went ahead and I laid more of the P.Louise base down. I'm going to take the same shade. So this is shade Forest. That's the teal shade. And I'm going to kind of blend this in a little bit. And then I'm going to do like a wing liner shape. I need a smaller brush actually. So I could really get in there. So something like this. I'll blend it better, but this is the general idea. Alright, and then I'll take the same brush and I will do the shade Spring and Echo mixed together to make that teal-y blending shade. And I'll just kind of go right over that. And then I'm just going to kind of go back and forth between those colors till they're blended. Alright, now I'm going to take some of the Unearthly Cosmetic Glimmer Grasp. I'm going to take this on a brush. And I'm going to tap it down right where that base is. And then I'm going to take this fluffy brush with the shade Ether right here, which is like a let's try my finger. Let's see. It's like purpley, you know? There we go. I'm going to take the Unearthly Cosmetic Immortality Eyeliner. This is the shade Treasure, which is like green. Whoops. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of the shade Mystical, which is the black in the palette. And I'm just going to take it on a really tiny brush and kind of just stamp this across my lower lash line. Or my lash line. Just like that. I don't know if you could just see, it makes just it look a little bit fuller. Then I'm going to take the same shade Forest, but I'm going to take it on a little brush. And I'm going to bring that all the way under my eye. I'm just going to blend it as I go, really smoke it out. And then I'll take the shade Spring and Echo mixed together and go over that. So I'm just going to take the same shades and just kind of smoke them out a little bit further. The difference that makes. I'm going to take the P.Louise Vivid Violet base. I'm going to put this in my waterline. Then I'm going to put on my lashes and my lippy, and we can come back and see the completed look. So I just went in with some Amazon lashes, and then my lip combo is the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Natural, and then the Unearthly Cosmetic Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Olivia. And then I wanted to kind of gloss it up a little bit, so I went in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. I think these are like a really good match. This one's just like satin and this one's a gloss, so I think that's like the biggest difference, but these are the vibes. I really love the way that the eyes came out. This is actually my first time trying the Cosmic Brushes anything. I've never tried anything from there. They have another palette. I'm not 100% sure on the name, but it's kind of like a pinky version. This color story just really calls to me. My only thing, right, is that there's just this like one random coral orange in here, which I feel like you're like, you know, what can you possibly blend that out with? But I do think this is a very beautiful color, and just with all of the other like purples, teals, and greens, I think this really complements it as well, even though it's like really random. The shimmers are really, really nice. I have zero complaints as far as that goes. I think the mattes blended out beautifully. And this is definitely, I think I only paid like $25 for it. So I think this is a really beautiful palette, especially for the price and everything like that. Like, I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. It is cardboard packaging, but it still feels like very like sleek and nice. You know what I mean? So I'm very, very happy with this purchase in this palette. This is actually my last purchase of the year as far as eyeshadow palettes go, so I'm very happy with my choice and my decision on that one. So we'll definitely do more looks with this. I want to do a palette collection video for you guys, which will probably go up around closer to the end of the month. So that way you guys could see all of the palettes that I have, and you guys could give me your suggestions on what palettes that you want to see me do more looks with and stuff like that. Yeah. I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I wanted to say, but I think that just about covers it. I'll leave all my face products down below for you guys if you're curious about the products that I used. And I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.